Hello viewers, there is a shape designs as well. Also make the changes there. Create the shapes here. We will try to use it. I will keep editing the shape and make a sequence. This will give us a specific design to have it and to get shapes. Explore the different options. Keep making different structures. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, so this will help you to generate a design. That's it.